Hey guys, I'm Corinne Mine, and it's Wednesday, and we don't really have a topic this week, so happy dogs! Yeah, I know. Lame. Bye!